Avenues Senior Secondary School, Brahmanandapuram, Dargamitta, Nellore.
I welcome all of you for this year's orientation program for 2025-26 for the high school section, 6th, 7th and 8th classes. Today morning for pre-primary and primary, we had a good session with the parents and with the management and the teachers. It was a successful morning section today. I would like to welcome all of you on this occasion. So have a privilege of interacting with the management, with the teachers, and create a nice atmosphere and serene atmosphere here today. Every program, every time, starts with thought-provoking quotation and which inspires us, which leads to us a right path. For giving us such kind of inspiration, I would like to welcome our school dean, Mrs. Kala Krishnaswamy Garu here, for giving us a nice inspiration thought today. I welcome you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, my dear parents. Happy to see you all in this hot day. You have managed to come here. Now on this day, being the orientation program for 6, 7 and 8. Morning, it was such a wonderful program. Just like now, how it is. A good gathering, a good response from parents. Now also the response is very good. Why the response is very good? It's mainly because you want to know more about your child. You want to know where your child stands in getting the marks. And you want to meet the management also to know more about this academic year. So now I always consider our team, Avenues family, as 5 fingers. One is our founders. Second one are Avenues family teachers. Third one is a non-teaching staff. Then comes all the indispensables. The 6th one are students. So we hold on to the students. See, with one finger, that's not possible. You cannot hold. With this also, separately, when you have it, you can point. You can happily say, this is the tall man, this is the ring finger, and this is the pinky and thumb. You can only give a thumbs up. But with this, you can't hold. So we hold on to you, your children, as a family, as an Avenues family, to show that we care for them. And as a family, as the Avenues family teachers, they are doing their best. So I always consider these children who have come. Some of them are there with us from 17. Some of them are there with us from 2018. But even then, they are our children. Okay? So over the period of time, we have seen them grow. They have spent more hours here in school. They have interacted, their wants, their happiness, their joy, their sadness, everything they have shared with us. We too have that concern for your children. In that respect, we are able to understand the feelings, so we help them in their emotional, physical development. The motor skills, if you take to, that is also taken into consideration. What I would like to motivate, they are like the seeds who have grown. That is, all these seeds have grown beautifully, and we want that further growth. We want that further growth. That is, one should have the feel, yes, my child is here from LKG and I have no problem. I need not have to worry about anything till 12th standard. That should be the feel from the child as well as from the parent. So we nurture that thought. We nurture that child. All children are alike. There is no partiality. We consider them. Each and every one is like the apple of our eye. So when we consider them as the apple of our eye, so the concentration will be more on each and every one. I'm so happy that you are gathered here today, and you will be really happy to see the whole program. Thank you.
Speech which makes us go in sight of this today's program. Next, I would like to welcome our principal ma'am, Srimati Dr. Sweta Sanjay Garu, to explain us the school vision and academic planner and curriculum. Thank you, ma'am.
A very good afternoon to one and all who have gathered here for 2025-26 orientation program. My hearty welcome to all the parents of Avenues family. And here we all know Avenues. So Avenues, which means the path, the route for the future achievements and success. So as Avenue Senior Secondary School, so we proudly say that we have successfully completed 8 years of happy schooling. So we really feel, happy and proud for that. With immense pleasure, we are welcoming the next new academic year, 25-26. Our founders, Penubelli Ramakrishna Garu, President, Ponnavolu Divya Reddy Garu, Vice President, have started the school with a motive and vision, which definitely envisages shaping the future of children through holistic development with a happy schooling. Our correspondent, sir, Penubelli Krishna Chaitanya Garu, our Dean and Treasurer, Srimati Kala Krishna Swami Garu, they are very much committed for providing the academics through an innovative and creative technologies and methodologies. And myself, Dr. M. Sweta Sandhya, Principal of Avenue Senior Secondary School, having, more than 16 years of experience in teaching as well as in admin, do believe in conceptual learning and also learning by doing instead of, having that rote learning of concepts. We all our aim together, we aim for and focus the education to be happen in a happy way, also in a holistic way, attaining the global standards, because the future, the citizens, so we need to think of like a global level. It's not about the local intention and local level. So definitely our school with a vision statement, knowledge empowers you. Yeah, that is proven. And here we are very much greatly announce that a happy news we need to share with you regarding the recent achievement of our alumni, students of our school have got very good percentile in JEE mains, 25 January session. So they have cleared their first session of JEE main with a very nice percentile of 97, 98. So kudos to our students. We congratulate on this occasion. So definitely, this kind of achievements will happen even with more intensity, more potential, of even more, with more number. So keeping the fingers crossed, we proudly say that in no way going forward, we will be hearing such type of achievements from our students. And coming to here, I would like to, as a principal, I would like to communicate with you regarding the academic plan and also the curriculum. So the academic plan is nothing but the planner is a schedule which is planned throughout the year, giving the important dates, days of exams, syllabus completions, events, celebrations, whatnot, the breaks, holidays, everything which will be in the form of a schedule, and that academic planner is also included in our diary. So parents can, have a look into that academic plan and go through all the information that is being given in that. So when an important event is going to happen, when the field trips are planned, when is the term 1 exam, when the open house is going to have in the school. So all these kind of information will be provided in the academic planner. And the most important thing here is about the curriculum. So at the 6th, 7th, 8th grade levels, we follow NCERT. So NCERT curriculum is the basic curriculum we do follow in our school. Being a CBSE school, we have to follow that, and NCERT curriculum is not that easy kind of thing. So definitely all kinds of domains are included in that. The child gets a chance to have that holistic development. So it's not about the academics. The holistic development takes place through co-curricular, extracurricular activities also. It's a part and parcel of the curriculum where the cognitive development takes place, affective domain skills will be developed, and also at the same time the creative thinking, critical thinking, learning by doing helps the children. So in a vital way in the child's psychomotor skills, physical development, so everything, whatnot, each and every aspect of the child will be looked into, which we call it as a holistic development, which means the whole, entire, all round of development takes place through NCERT curriculum. And one more beautiful thing is that with the curriculum, academic curriculum, we do have, CCA, which we call it as co-curricular. So with that, even clubs are included. Regarding each and every club, we definitely, explain you, and our colleagues will explain you about the CCA and CCA clubs. And the most important thing is at 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th grade classes, we are giving the foundation for IIT NEET level of understanding. We can't say that now from 6th class, the child, if he enters into the 6th class, the child will get IIT seat. No, the thinking should not be like that. Here, why we need to mention that foundation for IIT or NEET, the foundation, which means understanding of the concept in a little higher level, which we call it as higher order thinking skills. As you all know about 21st century skills, if a child need to get the 21st century skills, definitely we need to make the child in such a way to understand the basic concepts in little higher level. So that kind of foundation coaching is also being given, and that is introduced from last year, and we are providing books. The coaching is done with, separate faculty. So all these, definitely in curriculum, with parallelly with academic side, the foundation for NEET and JEE is also given to the students. And now regarding the CCA, clubs, elections, everything, our colleague Ajit Kumar sir will explain you. Now I think I call upon Sandeepa ma'am. She will explain you about CCA, co-curricular activities and clubs. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful explanation about the academic planner, curriculum, and the vision of our school. Thank you so much. So before I start, our esteemed authorities, dedicated parents of Avenues, dear colleagues, wishing you all a great noon. Before I start the explanation of CCA, we are sorry for the interruption. We have been waiting for this PPT. But before starting that, I would again like to thank our Dean ma'am for the wonderful thought, the positiveness which she shared with the help of, with the example of the fingers. As she said, we all together, like 5 fingers, we hold your children in the hands. So I would like to add a little bit of flavor to this, ma'am. Like as ma'am said, some children have been traveling with us from the very early childhood, from the pre-primary, primary, then they have come in front. I have been working here for Avenues from last 3 years. I have seen the little children from 5th class growing, now they are in 8th in front of my eyes. So like ma'am said, holding your children in the hands, they are so safe and secure. And when they join Avenues as little toddlers, like caterpillars you have handed us, very soon when we open our fingers, you could see your children as butterflies, beautiful butterflies coming out of from our Avenues garden. So we hopefully definitely portray your children in that high esteemed position. So I would like to continue my session of CCA. Nothing new for all the mid-school parents. You know about the CCA, the co-curricular activities which work hand in hand with our regular NCERT curriculum. So all the parents take much efforts in preparing your children. Nowadays, as they are grown up, they come up with their own ideas to participate in the CCA activities, which exclusively happen on every Thursday. Last 2 periods we allot for the co-curricular activities. So what is this CCA? What is the importance of this CCA? And why are we standing here to explain you about the CCA? So co-curricular activities are the very good platform for inculcating and developing the 21st century skills. So 21st century skills are very vital and very essential in the overall growth of our students. So like our principal ma'am was speaking about our esteemed founders, Ram sir, Divya ma'am. Basically they are NRIs, but they envisioned about this Avenues in a very different manner, like unlike other schools. So they wanted the children to experience the holistic development. What is this holistic development? Development in all the arenas. It's not just only curriculum, learning, listening to the lessons, attending the classes, the regular exams, and passing out. It's not just like that. So they have envisioned about the holistic development in Nellore. So they keep on guiding us and mentoring us that this holistic development and spiral learning should happen within our campus in Avenues. So in order to promote such type of holistic learning and spiral learning, we definitely assure and we assure and we take all the necessary steps for the proper implementation of this co-curricular activities besides the regular curriculum. So here one question for you can consider it either for parents or for the students. How many of you watch YouTube videos, anything regarding any cookery classes or any gardening classes or any art and craft? How many of you watch videos for time pass? Just can I see the hands? Rose? Yes, very good, sir. Thank you. Only one person here? Yes, yes, ma'am. Yeah, Thanish, very good. So, by watching that, suppose take a cookery class, baking of a cake. Sarah, won't you watch? Baking of a cake. How many after watching that or after listening to that instructions, how many of you have baked a perfect cake or made a perfect art and craft? Immediately, is there anyone who have done? Will it happen? No. One time we will fail. First time we will fail. Then we will come to know what were the mistakes we have made. Then we will rectify them. Then the second or third attempt for perfect. We may bake a perfect cake better than which was showed in the YouTube. The same way CCA, if we say the children to prepare to have, Nana, we got a problem in the home, please solve it. Will they do it? No, they won't think. Then if we say, now you have to solve it in a tricky way. Here is a puzzle, solve it in a tricky way in front of me. Will they do it in front of you? No, it should happen in that environment. So here CCA is that environment. They work for their classmates. They work for their friends. So morning I have quoted one example. The children who never come forward will also come forward for this CCA activities to support their team. So here they develop the teamwork. Then they will inculcate the problem solving techniques. Then if it comes to any puzzles or any quiz competitions or anything related to that, they inculcate creative thinking and critical thinking, logical thinking. Then sometimes if it is games, sports club, they will develop decision making. On the spot they will say, you go stand there, you do that, throw the ball from there. Then and there they will develop their decision making. All these 21st century skills, okay? Team spirit, creative thinking, critical thinking, logical analysis, problem solving, decision making, all these 21st century skills will be inculcated through our co-curricular activities. I hope I am clear with this. For the smooth running of this co-curricular activities, like how many, even some parents, even when, till date, not till, so if for recent years, before years, I was also having a sort of confusion with our elections. Okay, so here we have general elections. In this small age itself, the students of avenues will come to know about general elections. I think our 8th class children who got promoted to the 9th class are very eager to take part in the general elections of this year. So eagerly waiting who will be selected as our head boy and head girl. So they will take the initiation, and we have 4 houses for in our CC activities. As you know, every Thursday your children will come in the sports uniform, 4 different colors. So Cambridge stands for red house, Harvard stands for green house, Stanford for yellow, and Oxford blue house. So these are the 4 respective houses. All our school children will be segregated into 4 houses, and each house they will elect in our general elections. They will elect captains and vice captains, and with the help of this head boy, head girl, captains and vice captains, all these CCA activities will be conducted in a smooth manner. We have special team CCA coordinators who will look after and monitor all the CCA activities, and we have different clubs included in our CCA activities. So all the subjects, so previously we used to call them with the subject name itself, like math club, science club, or GK club, or computer club, but this year we have renamed them. Like math club, we have renamed it as Aryabhatta club. The sports club, it is named as Khelopedia club. And for English and English, Hindi and Telugu, we have named it as Lingua Phila club, and Charles Babbage club for computer. So all this, so you have seen your children working on different projects. Have you haven't you parents, dear parents, haven't you seen your children working for the CCA activities at home with your help or without your help? So these all the clubs will have different kinds of activities which encourage and which promote all the 21st century skills in the students. Further, so what is the final result of this CCA curriculum is, it just builds the confidence. It just builds the confidence and the sociability among the people. So these are the two important aspects in today's era, in today's generation, for a student to make a difference. So how a student will make a difference? Here all the students are there. Many students excel in their academics. Many of them stand in first rank, second rank, third rank. Suppose take 6th class children, 3 of children got first rank. Then some of them got second rank, third rank. But only few children get notified because of their extraordinary skills, which we call them as 21st century skills. The student should develop this self-confidence to come forward, to develop the social skills, to build confidence in them, and to inculcate all this to prove themselves that they are different from others. So you might have seen experience. So recently I have been to some programs where the students of BTech have excellent knowledge in their subjects, but they were unable to come up and put up their ideas in front of the interviewers, because the lack of confidence, lack of communication skills, all this lagging happens. So recently we had the orientation program for our +1 and +2 students even. There one speaker was questioning our students why all other countries children or students are standing different, they are innovative, they are inventing many things, and why still we are on this platform. There was no answer. The answer is this. The answer is, we have to prove ourselves different from others. We have to try. We have to inculcate the new things. We have to show some difference. Then only our children. So we ensure and we assure that definitely the Avenueites will rock and will reach up to that level, and they will prove themselves that they are different from other school children. So I hope God bless all the children with such difference, and they should reach the very esteemed heights in their future. So recently, Karthikeya of 8th standard and Manish Patel, both of them have taken part in Indian Talent, prestigious exam, Indian Talent Olympiad exam, and both of them came out with flying colors, and this is a remarkable achievement. See, Karthik has stood as state topper, rank 8, and he also won the scholarship worth. So the number might be small, but winning among the so many participants is a great thing. And this is Manish Patel of grade 6 who have won the Excellence Medal Award. So these two students, and from primary students we also had Kaivalya and other boy, so who had made a remarkable achievement in the most prestigious exam. So this happened how? They proved themselves different from the other children. So this is how we inculcate such 21st century skills with the help of co-curricular activities. So kudos to Karthik and Manish for the mid school. So these all things will be shared to you. You can already our principal ma'am have explained you about the curriculum, that NCERT. We follow NCERT. Everyone is well aware of this curriculum. Curriculum is nothing but syllabus. It's a well-renowned curriculum. Every year it is refined, sieved, and it is made in properly, and it is given to students like how we treat our children at home. We don't cook the same food and give them. We understand their taste, and according to their taste we serve the food. Same way NCERT works. Every year they make a difference. They will understand, they will conduct surveys, and they make necessary changes in the textbook and the curriculum so that students grab all the knowledge in a very easy way. And globally it's a renowned, and nowadays what everyone is following NCERT. For all the competitive exams we need NCERT books. So here our children are getting the most priority curriculum in our school through NCRT. Then these are our CCA houses, as we explained. So these are the few activities, photographs which we have collected, different children participating. So see how actively, enthusiastically they are doing. They will prove themselves among their schoolmates. This is a very good platform where they can work through learning. Okay, so here I come with the CCA clubs like Aryabhatta Club Mathematics, where your children will rock with all the Vedic maths, tricky maths, puzzles. Then Charles Babbage Club, the computer club, the computer tricks. Even we can't operate the systems and mobile phones. How smart the children are. They are working very smart on the HTML pages and many Scratch and Python programs, which we have very limited knowledge about them, but our children are rocking. So all such competitions will be conducted under this Charles Babbage Club, taken care by our computer faculty. Then Tessie Thomas Club, Science Club, all the innovative ideas they come up. We are planning for some much more innovativeness for creating such competitive spirit in the children. Then Kautilya Club, Social Club, they will come to know about all the general knowledge around about the society, about the country, about the world, about the things which are happening around the globe. So all this knowledge will be imparted to them with their participation. It's not that one teacher will be standing and explaining them. Through their participation, they will learn by doing and experimenting in these clubs. Then, so these are the all remaining clubs. So this year we have included the new clubs, Culinary, SUPW and Avenues Talk Tales clubs. These are the new clubs. Children, you can also go through. Culinary Club is a club where you can come up with your innovativeness in any cooking, cookery classes or cookery process. You can come up and showcase your talent in this culinary club. Then SUPW, socially useful productive work. So you can work outside beyond the classroom knowledge. You can earn and you can make something very productive things through these clubs. Then Avenues Talk Tales Club is like an open house club where you can come forward and speak about the interesting topics which goes around you. So these are the 10 clubs which we are going to include in our CCA curriculum this year. Next, coming to uniform, a very important aspect of a school. It's a recognition of the school. It's a recognition of the student. By seeing the uniform itself, the people should decide that these children are from that school. So in olden days, when there was limited number of schools, by looking at the uniform itself, everyone were well aware that this blue and white belongs to that Delhi public school. This is KV school. This is that school. In the same way, whenever someone outsiders, whenever they look at your children, they should easily identify that yes, they are Avenueites, they are from Avenue School. So it's a prestigious thing for our school as well as for your kids. So it's a representation rather than like an outfit. So we request all the parents to cooperate with us in the proper maintenance of uniform. It is not that we already have that, we can manage with that, because when a child comes to school, he is representing the school. So we request you to make modifications whenever it is necessary, and make the modifications whenever it's necessary. And we are glad to inform that from April 15th to 27th, for your convenience, your child's measurements will be taken in the school itself. Make sure that your child's attendance is must from April 15th to 27th. So measurements will be taken, and the whatever necessary changes have to make. I think from 6 to 8 it will be same only. So the skirt, the legging and the shirt for girls, and for boys the pant and shirt. So this is the full uniform with ID card and shoe and 2 plates. If the child has a long hair, she should neatly come like with the plaited hair or with the ribbons, and neatly haircut for the boys. So this is the ideal photograph which we want to portray for the regular uniform, and this is a sports uniform exclusively worn on Thursdays for CCA activities. So we request all the parents, besides their mental growth, this is the age where they rapidly grow, their physical growth also happens. So according to their that we have to make modifications in the uniform also. For that, please make sure that your child attends the school from April 15th to 27th. So class wise measurements will be taken and proper stitched uniform will be delivered by the date of when they join the school from the June. So this is how for about the uniform. Next, diary usage. So our parents have well access with all this diary usage. So it's an it's an important element. So we'll think that it's a small book, diary, what's that? It's no way useful, but it's an important element for in our curriculum. So student data with passport. So all these fields. So many parents, all the parents, I should appreciate, all the parents will fill this, but here and there some columns will be left. They think that it's not necessarily filled. So we request for your cooperation. Please help your child to fill all the mandatory fields with the passport size photo affix recent ones. So it will help us a lot to get the child's data in hand for the class teacher. So this diary is particularly and exclusively for the communication between a student, parent and the class teacher, because leaving class aside, running to the front office for small details, it's time consuming and a time waste concept. So if you fill all these details in time, it will help us in many ways. So these are important pages to be filled. So many parents do this and we sign it also. Those whoever are ignoring, please consider this. These are important aspects. Please fill the page of reason for late, reason for absence. So whenever that your child is late, so make sure that it is filled, and reason for absence here, home assignments. And these two columns are particularly important, where communication happens verbally between you parents and us as class teachers. So whatever remarks are there, we will note and you can communicate. It's an easy way of communication. So I hope you will do this. Then these are all diary usages. So regular check of your diary. Please stay informed. Everything hard copies, we are making the child to either to write or paste it in the mentioned columns. So please stay informed, have a regular check of the diary and acknowledge communication exclusively with the class teacher, because class teacher plays a very significant role for their class children. So ensure homework completion, and finally your signature mandatory. So coming to assembly importance, so this year we request all the parents to make sure that your child attends school in time or on time before the assembly, because assembly is very essential, a very key, it plays a very key role in inculcating the major element of the schooling, that is discipline. So without discipline is the key to success, right? Discipline is the key to success. So if a child want to be successful, he needs to attend the assembly where all these things are taken care of. Community building and sociability, they will learn sociable skills, they will learn about their other schoolmates, they will learn about the management, who is correspondent sir, if the child is joining newly, who is our dean ma'am, everything they will come to know. Discipline and routine, it should become a part of their life. That missing assembly, they should not do that. Then information sharing, how we look for the newspaper after waking up, same thing, whatever happening in the school, everything we will guide and we will mention in the assembly itself, information shared in the mass. Next, encouraging participation. We don't allow the same repeated children. All our students know the one child if gets participation, next time he is not allowed, she is not allowed. We give participation to all the students. So each and every student of the class have to take part in the assembly to come forward, to avoid, to come over of the stage fear and develop public speaking skills. Then promotes confidence and communication. They will improve, they will correct themselves before coming to the stage and present it in an extraordinary way. This they will discipline in themselves. Then recognition and motivation. Whenever our students go out for the participations in external competitions, when they come back, definitely whatever we miss, we keep aside all the things, we keep aside our first period, our syllabus, everything, but our management never fails to recognize or motivate the children with a token of appreciation like medals and certificates. So you all are witness of that. Then public speaking skills they will develop overall. So this is about the assembly importance. So we request all the parents to make sure that your child enters the school before the assembly, for the assembly, in time or on time. Next, it's discipline. Very simple ones. Discipline is the key to success. This is the very minor rules which we keep. Avenues is a very like friendly environment. It will be, you have heard through your children also. So this is the discipline plan we make sure to follow in the classrooms, and we are totally against the corporal punishments. So we are glad to say that your children are under the watchful eyes, under the safe and secured conditions of the environment. So this is what the discipline is. Next come. So thank you up to this. I hope you got this, and activities Rajit sir will continue with the extracurricular activities which we have with the academics and CCA, besides academics and CCA.
Thank you, Sandeepa ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. So next, as we come to know about the activities, so school promotes activities such as karate, chess, yoga, art and craft. So many of our students have come out with flying colors, securing medals and certificates at district level, state level, as well as the national level. We are very proud to announce that so many of our students have bagged a different kind of medals in so many competitions. Then, yes, as you know that karate is not only meant for boys alone, even it is meant for girls also, as it promotes the self-defense. Nowadays, you know what are the difficulties even every child faces, especially of girls. It is mandatory for them, I feel it is mandatory for them to learn karate very much. So we are proud to say that karate has been given a most priority in our school. Next, it is chess. So regarding chess, recently we have seen so many of our students have taken part in the chess competitions. This chess competition develops not only playing, simply coming and playing, sitting in the room and just playing chess. It even improves the mental stability also. What are the different decisions that you have to take for promoting the studies as well as, and recently we have seen so many youngsters securing different places in chess. So next we have yoga. Yoga also is given more priority in our school. So many of our students are taking part in the different yoga competitions, especially the coaches, Mrs. Padmavati and Revati. They are well trained in yoga. As yoga, nowadays all of us know the importance of yoga, and that you have to promote not only at school, even at home also. I think some of the students might have been giving the practice, even the parents also. Nowadays we can recognize. Apart from the studies, the student has to concentrate on yoga, which gives them some relief, and that promotes even securing good marks, as well as they will be away from the mental stress. And now Hemita, she has come out with the different securing different medals in different activities, and art and craft. So really here we can recognize the innate qualities, the inner qualities of the students. Sometimes even the parents may not recognize, and even sometimes the teachers also fail to recognize what are the inner qualities of each and every child. So that is the time in the art and craft. In art and craft, definitely the students come out with the different ideas, and the different programs have been conducted in art and craft. Art and craft, just you don't think that just sitting and coloring or just drawing something else. So it enhances the creativity. See, sometimes the teachers, we are bewildered really what they are going to do, because they know, the students know, the children of us know what to do and how to do. And elders, we feel proud sometimes how the chances are given to them. And next, it promotes the focus and patience. See, art and craft really promotes the focus and patience of the students as well. It builds problem solving skills and stress relief, as I have told earlier, and social interaction. So this is a special quality of art and craft, can be done in groups, because then only, say, almost nowadays, as our child are addicted, as well of you know, addicted to playing mobile. So they don't have the interaction. Even in each and every family, 4 members are there. All the 4 members have the different mobiles playing, sitting in some corners and playing the mobiles. But as art and craft gives the way, gives the path for the students to take part in social interaction while talking to their friends and getting their ideas from the different angles. So really, we feel very proud saying that everything is done in a grand way in our school. And one more thing that I would like to promote before you, it is CBSE cluster games. So it is a great privilege for the CBSE schools. The students take part in sports and games. So different activities are done. Here you can see the pictures. CBSE cluster games are a series of sports competitions organized by the Central Board of Secondary Education. So many schools take part in that, more than 300 schools from the different parts of the country and different parts of the state. So really, the winning or losing is not a big thing there. Really taking part is a very good thing. And the games are held at various clusters across the country. The winners qualify for the CBSE National Games. All is about CBSE cluster games. So what are the objectives? And next, what are the objectives that we have the CBSE cluster games? Really it promotes sportsmanship, identify talent and encourage participation of each and every individual. And what are the different future opportunities that we have? Participation, national and international competitions as well, and professional sports career. So nowadays, we know sometimes we are not giving much importance to them, but it is really a part and parcel of each and everyone's life to give more importance for this professional sports career also, and coaching and mentorship. Then benefits for participating students, exposure and experience, talent identification, scholarships, really they will be getting the scholarships and even awards also. Next, I would like to give my mic to Mr. Suresh, the Vice Principal, talking about the apps.
Good afternoon, parents and teachers and avenues management. I am Suresh, the Vice Principal. On behalf of our school, I would like to extend a warm welcome to each and everyone. See, nowadays, we are always depends upon the technology. The technology plays very important role in our life. See, as mentioned before, we saw a hard copy using the diary, the school updates and all we are giving through the diary. And based on the technology, we improved and we made one app. That app is Avenue Senior Secondary School app. This app is useful, is like a bridge between the parent and the school. What are the informations about your academic, child academic reports and exams, what we are conducting the exams, attendance, the details, everything we can sit at home, we can check, we can monitor your child performance through this app. So if you see here, we can monitor students' attendance using the app. And exam schedules, what are the exams, the PD exams and term exams, what are the school exams you are conducting. Even you are going to see the schedules and also you can see the marks, how many marks your child is getting. Not only the main exams, we are updating the ST marks also. What are subject wise, weekly exams we are conducting and we are updating. Please, the students who came, the students, please be quiet. See, using this app, daily homeworks. See, some of the students, they are misusing the diary. The teachers daily we are giving the homeworks using the diary, in the form of diary. But some children, they are not written in the diary and they are saying to the parents, today no homeworks. Now, there is no escape from the parent. We introduce the app here, daily homeworks, we are updating. Most of the parents, they're not aware about this app. Even we are sending the message to the WhatsApp, please install the Avenue Senior Secondary School app. You are going to know about your child performance also. Most of the parents, they don't know about the app that and all, not installing. And one more thing, using this app, you can give your feedbacks. If any complaints are there coming to your child academics, about the school, about administrative parts, any facilities, from sitting at home with single button, if you press, it is going to be reached in the management desk. No need to come to the school also to give any complaint. It is every secure that one. Maybe the parent may think that one, if I come and give a complaint on so-and-so teacher, the teacher is going to take a revenge on the student. It won't happen anything. It won't don't know also what you are sending the message, whatever giving the complaint also, it is under the correspondent desk only, it is going to be that one. Here you can feel free and you can give the not only complaints, you can give the suggestions also, how to improve the child academics and all. And one more thing, the class timetables also you are going to update. Where the main thing, the child is carrying like a luggage. The child is carrying the bag like a luggage, that one. We are continuous from principal side, from admin side. We are continuous saying the children, why you are carrying those many books? We are giving clear information to the parent and child also. Don't bring the books, all the books. What are the timetables we are giving? Follow the timetables and reduce your weight. That one thing we have to observe as a parent. Please, according to the timetables, the next academic year, if you follow that one, is safety to the child also, that one. And coming to the fee payments.
Thank you, Suresh sir, very much for giving a detailed description of how to use the apps of Avenue Senior Secondary School. Now I would like to welcome our beloved correspondent sir, Mr. Krishna Chaitanya Garu, onto the dais and explain the fee details and school transport for the academic year 25-26.
For the wonderful session going on here. So thank you all the parents for being part of this orientation program. For the first time we are conducting in past 8 years, and earlier in the previous academic years, after the completion of the academic year, used to take the promotion and used to purchase books and start the new academic year. But we came up with this idea of orientation program. This morning we had 2 orientation sessions with pre-primary to second class, and 3, 4, 5 as a unit, and 6, 7, 8 as one unit in the afternoon. So we are following this new education policy, 5+3+3, 4 policy. Pre-primary to second class as one unit, 3, 4, 5 as one unit, 6, 7, 8 classes as one unit, and 9th to 12th as one unit. So right now the orientation is going on for 6, 7, 8 classes, and we wanted to ensure each and every parent is aware of how the academic year 25-26 academic year is going to run, is going to function. So in terms of academic planning, in terms of scheduling, in terms of activities, in terms of events, in terms of all the field trips. Dear parents, I request you to we are at the end of the session. I request all the parents to concentrate on this PowerPoint presentation so that we will end up in next 10 to 15 minutes. So the most important part of this PowerPoint presentation is fee structure. The reason why we wanted to bring up fee structure in this PowerPoint presentation is, for any organization, financial stability and financial planning is very much required. And for a school, the fees is the only source of revenue. So parents are paying fees in terms of books, in terms of activities, in terms of tuition fees. So we wanted to make sure parents are really aware of what is the fee structure for parents who have joined their children between 2017 to 2024, where we are considering them as existing students. So it's a very minimal fee structure, and there is no hike or no new fee structure that we are adding up. It's a very simple fee structure. From play class, it starts with 48,000, and you can see a difference of 1,000 rupees to 1,500 rupees from each class. So we have streamlined our fee structure for all the parents who have joined their children between 2017 to 2024 with a very transparent and a very clean fee structure, affordable fee structure. And this fee structure is very flexible. You can make it in 3 payments. You can clear these fees in 3 payments, in first term, second term, and third term. The first term starts right now because the school starts, the new academic year is going to begin from April 7th. April 7th is Monday, and the new academic year is going to begin. So today, after orientation, after collecting your promotion card, so you can buy your books, you can pay for the activity fees, and also you can pay for the first tuition fees, first term tuition fees. By that, your child will be promoted for the next academic year, and further the second term can be paid in the month of October, and third term can be paid before December 31st. So we are very clear and very flexible options we are giving, and you have multiple payment options like you can pay through online, you can pay through debit card, credit card, you can pay UPI transactions, you can do NEFT or you can do IMPS. So we are giving all the, you can also use the UniCampus. So as rightly mentioned by our Vice Principal, Mr. Suresh, UniCampus is a very beautiful application that can be utilized by each and every parent, not only for paying the fees, but especially I wanted to tell you, you can be very proactive in putting your feedback. So that is going to directly, the feedback that you are going to post in UniCampus is going to be received by the management desk. No other people in the school will have access. And if you see, I don't know if any parent has posted previously in UniCampus, I have replied also for those parents. It could be about timetables, it could be about attendance, it could be about subjects. Earlier we were little slow in responding, but gradually I have started looking into UniCampus feedbacks from parents every day in the morning. The minute I log in, I check the dashboard of parents' complaints or suggestions or feedback. So each and every parent can take the advantage of downloading this Avenue Senior Secondary app in your Play Store and start giving your feedback, anything, suggestions, complaints, or you have concerns. We will start replying to them and you can see the difference also. So make use of this application, and we are giving it for you free. So you can definitely utilize it. You can do a lot of work. As Suresh sir rightly said, you can check your timetables, you can check your fees, you can check your homework schedule, you can see your child attendance, you can see your child progress report. So it's a one button access for all your child's academic progress and discipline. Also we do also put remarks on discipline and everything. Even your child health status also, when we do certain physical tests, we do update in the UniCampus. So I request once again parents to make use of the UniCampus very effectively. And coming back to the fee structure, I have spoke about parents who have joined between 2017 to 2024. Now parents who have joined in the year 2024 to 25, last academic year, it's a very simple, there is no admission fees because you have already paid the admission fees. It's just tuition fees, books, activity, and from the previous students' fee structure, it's a difference of only 3,000 to 4,000, and this is what you have already committed. So we are sincerely requesting parents not to come and ask for any kind of concessions. We are maintaining this fee structure to make sure we are recruiting quality resources, maintain the infrastructure in a very organized and proper manner, to update our systems, to update our methodology, to make sure our teachers are getting increments every year, our teachers are getting salaries on time, to make sure now the team size of Avenues, I'm very proud to say that right from management to helper, the team size is more than 100 right now in Avenues. So it's a big achievement and it's all because of your support. So please do support this organization by paying fee structure on time and take the flexible options like in 3 terms. So we are not entertaining any concessions for this academic year. Please keep this in mind. So, and if you have any references for next academic year, which we are going to start from 25-26, any word of mouth for your friends, colleagues, family members, this is our new fee structure. It is also available at front office. You can check with them. So if you wanted to give a reference for your friends, family members, we would be really happy and we would really appreciate that. So this is the new fee structure for 25-26. We only have very limited admissions for this new academic year. And also I request all the existing parents from 2017 to 2025, last academic year, to finish your promotions as soon as possible, because we need to make sure new admissions are allowed in. If you have any challenges, you have any transfer issues, or you have any other challenges moving out of city or anything, please let us know very upfront in applying TC also. So as soon as you apply TC, we can give the new admission for upcoming students who are waiting in the queue list, waiting list. Students admission can be confirmed. So we sincerely request parents to confirm your admission in next 3 days. Is 4th today, 5th and 6th and 7th. These 4 days are very important for each and every parent to confirm their admission. And transport is a very, very important facility that we are providing for all the parents who needs the transportation, and it's very safe and reliable transportation, and we are successfully running transportation from last 8 years without any single issue, without any issues and any concerns. We are running just because of the kind of strong administration and in charge and experienced drivers, well behaved cleaners, and time to time service we are doing for all the transportation. So we have 4 routes, we have 6 buses, and we are using these 6 buses for 4 routes. The route number 1 pretty much covers complete north of Nellore, Usman Sahib Pet, all this Balaji Nagar, Jagadish Nagar, Children's Park, and Ramurthy Nagar. And route number 2 is the west of Nellore. It's all about Vedaipalam, Podalkur Road, Padmavati Nagar, Padmavati Nagar, and all this SP Bangla. All these areas are covered under route number 2. And this is west of Nellore. And you see east of Nellore, this starting from Batwadipalam, Little Angel School, Kotamitta, Putta Estates, Iragalamma Temple, and Pottepalam, Dodla Dairy. This is route number 3. And we have route number 4 covering south of Nellore from Gomati School, Sai Baba Temple, KNR School, Padarpalli, Magunta Layout, Venkateshwara Temple. So please check with the transport in charge. So in transportation, we have made it a very simple and a very decent fee structure, a very competitive fee structure, starting from 15,000 for first kilometer, and each kilometer is only a difference of 1,000 rupees. So the highest number of kilometers that we are covering is 8 kilometers radius. We are not going beyond that. So to confirm your transportation, you have to make sure 50% of the fees has to be paid in next 3 days, because there is a lot of confusion from previous academic years. Many parents are not confirming their admission by not paying and just getting into the bus. I know it's not intentional, but there is a lot of confusion, and these parents are not able to come to the campus to finalize the fees or to confirm the admission, and child is not being properly, that is giving us a lot of challenge to give proper transportation. So this year we have come up with a new idea of giving a transport badge exclusively. So this transport badge will be given to the parents who have finished paying their 50% of the tuition fees from today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and 7th. So only these students will be allowed to get into the transportation on April 7th. And I hope parents understand the importance of transportation and planning. We need to plan the routes. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we need to plan the routes so that your early confirmation, your booking the seat, reserving the seat is very, very important. Please do understand and cooperate with us. You can get the transportation in charge number, Mr. Kalyan from front office. Mr. Kalyan, you can contact him. He will give you the details. You can book your seat, book your spot for transportation as soon as possible, because it's very necessary for your child to come to school from April 7th. So this is all about school transportation and fee structure. So going forward, we have our Vice Principal, Mr. Suresh, and the school official number 9100894555 is always with him. You can contact him for any concerns, and also school diary has 3 numbers, 3 official numbers. Parents can contact within the working hours to reach out to us to any kind of concerns or any information that you would like to pass on, or any information that you would like to get from the school. So 3 official numbers are put on to the diary. You can check the numbers, and also school website, school Facebook, school YouTube channels. All this has all the details of about school. So you can keep following it. And I request further session to be continued with the help of our esteemed faculty. Thank you. Thank you, parents, for joining us and making this program a big success. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for explaining all the things in detail. As all of you know that Mr. Suresh and Mrs. Padmaja, thank you very, very much for being with us. And after this, almost all the information details have been given to you. So any other concerns are there, you are always welcome to contact the management. I would like to call upon Mrs. Sujata ma'am, and Mrs. Movina, science faculty, for social. Next, Mrs. Movina for science. And next, Mrs. Sandeepa so far have listened to her long speech here. She is for English faculty. And Mrs. M. Sri Lakshmi for mathematics. and Mrs. Maunika for social, Mrs. Kalpana for Telugu, Mrs. Vo Vinila is also for Telugu, and Mrs. K. Vijayalakshmi for Hindi, and for higher classes, Mrs. S.K. Shakila Begum for Hindi. Now, Mrs. P. Madhu Swarnalata, computer ma'am, next. And we have IIT faculty also. Yes, here it is about 6 to 8 language teachers, and Surendranath sir for Sanskrit, I am for English, and Mr. K. Sukumar is for art and craft. Next, sir. Now, it is for the activity teachers. Mrs. Padmavati Yoga and Mrs. B. Sukruta. Mrs. B. Sukruta. She is coach for softball also. And Mr. V. Praveen. Mr. V. Praveen. And Mr. K. Jagdish for karate. And Mr. S.K. Abdul Aziz for chess. And Mrs. G. Maunika is also for chess. This is another feather in the cap of the Avenue School. For IIT and NEET Foundation staff, we proudly would like to show all these faculty members. Mr. Vijay Kumar, Mr. Raj Pandian, Mrs. Shabina Begum, Mrs. Seema Nazreen, Mr. Prasad Reddy, and Mr. Subramaniam. Yes, these are the field trips. So thank you very much, all the parents, those who have come over here and making this program a grand, successful one.
Avenues Senior Secondary School, Brahmanandapuram, Dargamitta, Nellore.